Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Paysafe. I've talked about them once or twice here on the channel in the past. Just did a video on paychecks, different company than Paysafe, but similar in some ways, and was just going over some past videos, and this one definitely needed an update. And as you can see what it's doing here today, or not doing, it's taking a dive there, so just throwing some information out there, see who still has this one, and see if you're thinking this one's a buy at these levels. And it just keeps going down, so it's down over 82% in the last year. In the last 3 months, down over 38%. Last month, down over 17%. Here in the last week, it's down 4%. And that's just kind of a drop off there, so... And here's a look at today. So just traded kind of flat there, and then just boom. But this is Paysafe, ticker PSFE. And if you don't know much about them, they provide online payment solutions. The firm operates through the following segments: integrated processing, digital wallet, and e-cash solutions. So it should, I don't know, looking ahead to the future between all of that, it should appreciate at some point in time. Might just be going through a rough patch right now, but I can definitely see the future for this one. So, founded in 1996. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just state my opinion. The market cap is $1.84 billion. The high today of 245, low of 229. And we're actually lower than that right now, so 52-week high of 1335. So if we could get back to that level, and a low of $1.84. So volume on this one, average 9.1, and the volume here today, if that's up to date. Sometimes the volume here on Robinhood isn't very accurate for some reason, but I have the phone app, and sometimes it's different than what the desktop version is here, but 44% hold, and pretty much a buy on this one, so bouncing back and forth. So maybe buy a little bit, hold here a little bit, who knows. That's kind of what I do on some of them. But expected next earnings on August 16th, so we'll see what they do next earnings. So looks like kind of didn't do so great there, and here the last two they did a little bit better. But here's a little bit past history. Well, I'm glad that one didn't fail now. So $11.10, that was July of last year, so you can see what it's done or what it hasn't done in the last year. So, and this one was actually filled at $1.10, but that's been moved to a different brokerage, so did that a while back. Might start trading again here on Robinhood. I haven't decided, or at least do partial shares. It's kind of a easy platform to do partial shares on. Otherwise I use Schwab or M1 Finance for partial shares. But moving on over here to Microsoft Bing. Previous close priced at $237, and this is showing it as a hold with a 1-year price target of $3.53, currently at $2.30. Paysafe lowered to $5, and this was just dated on the 22nd. So had its price objective dropped by analysts from $7 to $5 in a report released on Wednesday. The brokerage presently has a positive rating on the stock. Target price would suggest a potential upside of 108.33% from the company's current price. Several other analysts also recently issued reports on Paysafe, decreased the price objective on the shares of Paysafe from $9 to $5, and set an outperform rating for the company in the research note on Thursday. Cut their price objective $7 to $5, so everybody's cutting their price on this one. So, and then it's got a couple ratings here as a hold. We'll go over some more ratings here towards the end. Shares of Paysafe traded up 6 cents during midday trading on Wednesday, hitting $2.40, and as you can see, it's down from last Wednesday, so this is a couple days old, but still kind of relevant if you're looking to get into this one. Paysafe has a 1-year low of $1.84 and a high of $13.35. The company's 50-day moving average is 267, and its 200-day moving average is 322. So they last announced their earnings results on Wednesday, May 18th. The company reported 5-cent EPS for the quarter, topping analyst consensus estimates of 2 cents by 3 cents. Paysafe had a negative return on equity of 0.65% and a negative net margin of 82.69. The firm had revenue of $367.67 million during the quarter. On average, equities research analysts anticipate that Paysafe will post 0.14 EPS for the current fiscal year. Several large investors have recently made changes in their positions in the company, acquired a new stake in Paysafe by Castleview Partners in the fourth quarter, valued at $917,000. So with these lows, maybe we'll see some more buying into it, and maybe the price will jump back up. So we'll just have to wait and see. Here's kind of some more buys and sells on the company. A little bit more about Paysafe. They provide digital commerce solutions and online businesses, small and medium-sized business merchants, consumers through Paysafe network worldwide. The company operates in 2 segments: U.S. acquiring digital commerce that provides compliant payment acceptance and transaction processing solutions for merchants and integrated service providers, including merchant acquiring, transaction processing, online solutions, fraud and risk management tools, data and analytics, and point-of-sale systems and merchant financing solutions under the Paysafe and Petroleum Card Services brands. Paysafe finds more than 1 in 3 Americans have permanently changed their payment habits following the pandemic, and again, this was out last Wednesday. So over a third of Americans have permanently changed how they pay since early 2020. Pandemic began, reveals by leading specialized payments platform Paysafe. The study, which is released today, also shows that contactless payments have gone mainstream. The consumer research, which carried out the Sapio research on behalf of Paysafe, surveyed 2,000 U.S. consumers in April 2022. Paysafe's new data on the state of in-store payment signals to merchants and small to medium-sized businesses. The adoption of contactless payments has accelerated. The report shows 2/3 of consumers, 67%, indicate that they grow regularly, make contact payments with their credit or a debit card. Over a third, 37%, make NFC-enabled payments. So enabled payments with their smartphone or even a wearable device. 1 in 10 consumers, 9%, say that all transactions are now contactless. The way consumers pay depends on what is being purchased. So the survey results also reveal that consumers make more use of cash for small ticket purchases such as pastries, 46%, or takeout food, 30%. Customers, however, prefer debit and credit cards or mobile wallets for large ticker items such as restaurant dinner, a tank of gas, or when clothes shopping. So just various ways people are making payments, just through ease, whether it be a service like this or credit cards. I very rarely see anybody carry cash anymore. If you carry cash, that'd be interesting to know. Leave that in the comments if you carry cash. I know it's nosy, but tell us how much in cash you carry. That'd be interesting as well. I used to carry $100 cash all the time. Used to get gas, pay for gas with cash, but now the only place I get gas is at Costco, and use their credit card because you get points. I never carry cash anymore, but used to carry $100 all the time, so, but don't do that anymore, so that'd be interesting to put in the comments. But again, they're a leading specialized payments platform. Core purpose is to enable businesses and consumers to connect and transact seamlessly through industry-leading capabilities in payment processing, digital wallet, and online cash solutions. With over 20 years of online payment experience and annualized transactional volume of over $120 billion in 2021, and approximately 3,500 employees located in 10-plus countries. So you can see the potential behind this one, although it is at pretty much not the all-time lows or 52-week, but it's pretty dang close. So, but over here on MSN Money, it's showing it as a hold with a $3.53 price target. So you'd be making $1, but for some reason it's going down here today. So you can see just kind of on the downtrend, it looks like a lot of people are buying into it. So maybe it'll hit the bottom here and bounce back up, so who knows, might be a good trade here, might put in an order here. Over here on Reddit, all in, cutting edge company, tech company is closer to NAV than Paysafe and Body combined. Not much else there. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $2.28. Likely to drift into the dollars before earnings. Wow, $1 range. Let's hope they're good enough to prop it back into this range. So, yeah, it might be a bearish market for Paysafe, so it might be one to watch. Might be one to pick up some shares. I don't know yet. I'm going to have to keep watching this one. So you got to like this dirt negativity. Close the door on your way out. So that's like a lot of stocks. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Just stating my opinion on this one. But there's one calling it a POS. Everybody's going to have their opinion on it. So I just have to wait and see on this one. But the low here today is at 229, so 225. So I don't know, if you have Paysafe, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you would like to share on this one? Oh, there, it's 224 now, so I'll keep talking about it. It'll keep going down, but I'm going to be watching this one. Might put in a buy order for a couple shares at 220, see if it fills. I don't know, what the heck, see what happens. So I just feel if it can get back to those levels or even half that way, it would be good, but it might take a while. So just state my opinion. But again, if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.